Hello, this is Mr. Erickson. I'm going to give the overview for the Science Department Course Selection Guide. The state of Wisconsin requires a minimum of 3 credits of science to graduate high school, and 4 credits are preferred if you plan on attending a 4-year university. Course selection flow chart, 7th and 8th grade is going to take just your standard junior high classes. Once you get into 9th grade, you're going to have some options. Most students will take just physical science, and then they would take biology as a sophomore. Some students elect to take both physical science and biology, and those are for students who intend to take 4 or more credits of science in high school. After completing biology, a lot of students take chemistry, and then after chemistry, you can finish up your career taking different electives of general physics, environmental biology, human anatomy and physiology, and AP chemistry and AP physics. Again, I'm Mr. Erickson. I teach biology here at Cadott High School. Biology is required to graduate. Most students, again, take it as a sophomore, but you can double up with physical science as a freshman. It's a lab-based class that explores the following topics: experimental design, cell structure and function, DNA and genetics, and the kingdoms of life. After biology, you can take an elective called environmental biology, where we focus on field studies at the school forest and areas near the high school. And there's a list of all the topics that we cover. Another elective is human anatomy and physiology. It was previously called advanced biology. Prerequisites are to take biology and chemistry beforehand, and you can earn transcripted credit through CVTC, and you can also earn general science if you elect to go to a 4-year university. It's ideal for students interested in a career in the medical field. Typically, this is for juniors or seniors. And if you are going into a medical field, it's my recommendation that you take this as a senior. That way you don't have a year off from taking this class and going into your advanced anatomy and physiology. And we study all the systems in the human body: skin, skeletal, muscle, nervous, and digestive.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Thiede, and I'm a 7th grade science teacher here at Cadott. Today, I'm going to talk to you about the 9th grade science course offering, which is physical science. Mrs. Geiger will be teaching this course next year. In this course, you're going to have 2 semesters. One will be physics and one will be earth science. So get ready to have an exciting year and be able to answer questions like, why do we see the colors we see? How do magnets work? And is Galena just a really fancy town in Illinois? Thanks, and I hope you have a great freshman year.
I'm Mr. Grubbs. I teach chemistry and physics here at Cadott. I'm going to have to quickly go through our chemistry, physics, and AP classes, so bear with me. For chemistry, most colleges are looking to see chemistry on your transcript. Everything is thematic in this. It's a learning through inquiry class, so you're going to be doing the science through experimentation and breaking down data that I'm given. And every unit is always going to have a performance task, from solving a robbery case based on your chemistry knowledge to performing experiments to create a product for a company. We're also going to offer general physics for the first time instead of just AP. So if you're interested in physics but a little intimidated by the AP, this could be a great option. We're going to study motion, energy, electricity, and waves. And everything is going to be based around engineering tasks. So you'll be creating catapults, designing amusement park rides, or capsules for free fall, all of that fun stuff to apply your physics knowledge. AP chemistry is something that we recommend after chemistry and algebra 2. This is a lot of chemistry. It's worth 2 semesters of college chemistry. So you have the potential to earn 8 college credits if you pass the AP exam. So it's a lot of stuff. We're actually going to double block this next year, so it'll be in 2 class periods. You also are required to watch video lectures prior to class and then come in ready to work with material in class. And it's also 25% of the class will be labs, everything from analyzing a bullet casing to determine a murder, solve a murder, to creating your own buffer to meet specific criteria. And then AP Physics 1, prereq, you should have taken at least general chemistry and then at least algebra 2. It's an inquiry class, so you're going to learn and derive your own equations through experimentation like you see in the picture, covering the same concepts as general physics, except to a much higher level with math and a much higher application level. A lot of this is going to be in lab, and ultimately this can earn you 1 semester of college level physics.